Hello and welcome back to another episode of Zak Does It. In the previous episodes, we've been slowly but surely disassembling the entire drivetrain of Mama Miata. And in this episode, we're going to start the prep work for taking the engine out. Now, this was a much longer process than I anticipated, with a few hiccups and some additional problems that were technical in nature, but we're going to try our best to work through this as quickly and efficiently as we can so that we can get on to painting and repairing rust and rebuilding Mama Miata's engine. So without further ado, let's jump into today's episode.
Start it up.
Well, today is the big day. I've got an engine crane or hoist, I've got an engine stand, I've got a bunch of other parts and pieces that I need to start taking the engine bay apart, and with any luck, and with a little help from my brother, I think we're gonna get it all out. So, it's gonna be a long day, but with any luck, that engine bay is gonna be empty by the end of it. And there you have it. We almost got to the point where we could take the engine out, but there are a few more components that need to come off the engine to help make this an easy, pain-free process. That way we're not banging anything up on the way out, and we don't hit any major snags. So I did lose a little bit of hard drive footage. That's why we had to cut assembling the hoist and engine stands a little bit short, but I'll be sure to talk about those in the future because it turns out that there are some pretty handy tools, especially when you're doing this level of restoration. But that's all I have for this episode. In the next one, we will be getting that engine out. And in a future episode, one of my viewers did notice something fishy a couple episodes back. So if you can find the exact same thing that was a little weird and a little bizarre, I'll give you a shout out. If not, it looks like one viewer is gonna get a special shout out in an upcoming episode. With that being said, if you are enjoying this series or if you're interested in following along as I continue from start to finish, completely gutting and restoring this Mama Miata, definitely give me a like and subscribe, and be sure to hit the bell notification icon to know when each new episode comes out. I'm getting through the video as quickly as I can, as well as slowly accumulating tools and body panels and anything else I might need for this restoration process in my basement. In an upcoming episode, we might look at just how much space all of these things take up. But until then, this has been another episode of Zak Does It, and I can't wait to see you on the next one.